Today I'm going to be reviewing EIiovcnya's 2,380 pieces of charms. Why? Because they sent it to me and I figured why not review it. This is what they look like. They're all plastics. If you were thinking they were metal, for instance, what's nice is it does come with a little tweezer. You can see some of them, what they look like. They're all plastic as far as I could tell. A whole bunch of, they got big ones. They've got some felt ones, some crosses. They have some letters down here. I'm not going to take them all out, but double-sided letters. I'm certainly not going to count to make sure there's 2,300, but I bet there are. There's a lot of these small ones down in here. Get an idea. That's pretty well. It's got 4.8 stars, 105 reviews, and last month, October 2025, 900 plus of these were sold. So people are liking them. They're not very expensive, and yeah, I could see these being fun for kids to play around with. There you go. There's a few more right here. So, for something inexpensive and fun during the holidays, maybe you put it on nails or gifts. I think this is a great idea. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.